Hi guys, welcome to Sci-Fi Newsroom. If you're curious about science, if you want to keep track of the latest breakthroughs, if you want to low down on the latest in tech, then this is the place for you. Every week, I will bring you nuggets of science and tech news right here so that you don't have to scavenge the web on your own. So let's look at the top news items I found this week. Our first news item is about Lego. We all love playing with those perfectly shaped pieces of joy. But in a recent study, scientists have discovered an unpleasant trait of these rugged toys. A single Lego can take hundreds of years to break down in the ocean. This team of scientists analyzed washed up Lego blocks. Each block had been collected since 2010 by beach cleanup crews in Cornwall, England. The scientists used X rays to identify the chemical recipe of each block. Shining such high energy radiation on each Lego block caused the atoms in the block to give off X rays. By measuring the energy levels of these X rays, the researchers could figure out the type of atom that was in each block. This technique offers what is basically a chemical fingerprint of the material. The scientists ended up with 14 pairs of matching Legos. The beached up versions had 3 to 40% less mass than the mint condition versions. That suggests that it would take between 100 to 1300 years to completely break down a single Lego block. By contrast, a plastic bottle is estimated to fully degrade in just a couple of decades. While there's a whole movement against plastic bottles and plastic straws, perhaps it is time to think about the impact of structurally hard plastics on the environment. Moving from oceans to space, astronomers have recently discovered the nearest black hole to Earth might be closer than we earlier thought, just 1000 light years away. This newfound dark neighbor is at least 4.2 times as massive as the Sun and lives with two ordinary stars. It was the funny orbits of these stars that gave the black hole's presence away. Most black holes are violent, eating the stars around them and emitting large volumes of X rays. The new neighbor black hole, called HR 6819, is not actively eating stars, and so is invisible. But it appears to have two companions. One star that the black hole orbits every 40 days, that is heavier and hotter than the Sun, as well as a more distant, massive star orbiting the star black hole pair and rotating so fast that it is almost breaking apart. The motion of these two stars first suggested that something weighing four solar masses must be orbiting with them. The unseen HR 6819 is near enough and its stars are bright enough that on a dark, clear night in the southern hemisphere, the stars can be seen with the naked eye. So take out your telescopes and look out. In this segment, let's take a closer look at the Apple Google contact tracing application. Contact tracing apps are being seen as a viable means of ensuring social distancing and patient identification. The Apple Google collaboration will ask you to opt into a system that causes your phone to emit Bluetooth signals to phones around you. When you are in close proximity to another person for an extended period of time, typically more than 5 minutes, both of your phones will record this interaction. When a person tests positive for COVID 19, they will have an option to anonymously notify other phones that they have been exposed to the virus, encouraging their contacts to self quarantine or seek treatment. The sticking point between tech giants and nation states has been who will process the exposure notifications. While Apple and Google want to maintain absolute privacy and process the notifications on the user's phones, several European countries are seeking to process the notifications on central servers in hopes that having more detailed information will help better management. This put countries like France, whose politicians have regularly sanctioned Silicon Valley for perceived data privacy lapses, in a very funny position of begging Apple and Google to lower their privacy standards. While many countries have adopted the Apple Google system, India is a bit of an outlier. The Indian government has decided to go with Arogya Setu, a contact tracing application that stores the data on a central server. This has come under the scanner of many human rights groups for potentially violating privacy of citizens. That is all for this week. Do hit the like and subscribe buttons below and come back for more sci-fi news next week.